Have you ever felt completely lost, stuck in a cycle you didn't know how to break? That was me last week. The weight of everything felt unbearable. Thankfully, I had good friends who supported me, who reminded me that I wasn't alone. But here's the truth. Friends can't do the work for you. At some point, you have to look in the mirror and decide to take the first step to rise again. In that moment, I realized something powerful. The foundation of life is built on 5 key pillars. These pillars are what hold us steady when everything else feels like it's falling apart. Let me take a moment to break them down for you in a way that's easy to understand and apply. The first pillar is movement. Movement is not just about exercise. It's about reminding your body that it's alive and capable. Think of it as a way to activate both your physical and mental energy. Even if you're feeling low or unmotivated, starting small can make a big difference. Take a 10-minute walk, stretch for 5 minutes, or do a short workout at home. Consistency is the key here. The more you move, the easier it becomes. And don't forget the emotional benefits. Movement releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. It's like telling your body, back in the game. The best part? Movement doesn't have to be rigid or structured. Find something you enjoy, like dancing, hiking, or yoga, and make it part of your routine. Getting back to exercise is tough, I know. Whether it goes to the gym, running, swimming, or even just taking a walk, starting again feels like climbing a mountain. But here's the thing, your body remembers. If you moved before, it knows how to move again. Start small, be consistent, and you'll feel the momentum. Movement isn't just about fitness, it's about waking up your energy and reminding yourself what you're capable of. It's a signal to your mind and body that you're ready to show up for yourself. The second pillar is nutrition. Nutrition is about more than just eating healthy. It's about fueling your body in a way that supports your goals and well-being. Start by paying attention to what you're putting into your body. Are you eating foods that nourish you, or are you relying on quick fixes like fast food or sugary snacks? A balanced diet that includes whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables can do wonders for your energy levels and mood. And hydration is just as important. Your body needs water to function at its best. If making big changes feels overwhelming, begin with small adjustments. Swap out soda for water or add a serving of vegetables to your meals. Over time, these small changes build up and create a lasting impact on your health. What you put into your body changes everything. When you eat junk, you feel like junk. But when you fuel yourself with good, whole foods, your body thanks you. You'll notice a difference. Your digestion improves, your energy rises, and even your mood lifts. Nutrition is not about perfection, it's about balance. Start by adding one nutrition-rich meal a day or replacing one processed snack with a healthier option. Small changes add up and your body will reward you for treating it well. The third pillar is sleep. Sleep is your body's way of repairing itself and preparing for the challenges ahead. It's not just about getting enough hours of rest, it's about the quality of that rest. Are you waking up feeling refreshed, or are you dragging yourself through the day? Establishing a consistent sleep routine can make all the difference. Try going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Even on weekends, limit caffeine and heavy meals before bedtime and create a calming pre-sleep ritual like reading or meditating. Your sleep environment matters too. A cool, dark, and quiet room can help you fall and stay asleep. Good sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for your brain and your body to function at their best. Sleep is the reset button for your brain and body. If your sleep routine is off, everything else will feel harder. Reclaim your nights. Go to bed at a consistent time. Turn off distractions and give your body the rest it craves. And it's not just about quantity. Quality matters too. Create an environment that promotes restful sleep, a dark room, a cool temperature, and no screens an hour before bed. Once you fix your sleep, your mornings will transform. You'll wake up with clarity, energy, and the strength to take on the day. The fourth pillar is communication. Communication is about more than just talking. It's about building meaningful connections. Humans are social creatures, and our interactions with others can have a profound impact on our mental health. Open up the people you trust. Share your challenges, your victories, and even your fears. This isn't about seeking solutions from others. It's about feeling seen and supported. Equally important is your ability to listen. When you genuinely listen to others, you strengthen your relationships and build a sense of community. And don't underestimate the power of expressing gratitude. A simple thank you can deepen your connections and remind you of the support system you have around you. We are social beings. Whether we like it or not, the people around us, friends, family, colleagues, play a massive role in our energy and mindset. Talk to them, share your struggles, your wins, and your plans. Connection fuels growth. It doesn't mean you need to have everything figured out. It just means being open. When you show others you're trying, you'll often find they'll meet you with encouragement and support. And don't forget, good communication isn't just about speaking. It's also about listening. Pay attention to what others share with you. That connection creates a sense of belonging that can inspire you to keep moving forward. The fifth and most important pillar is purpose. Purpose is the anchor that keeps you grounded when life feels chaotic. It's what gives you meaning to your actions and motivates you to keep moving forward. Finding your purpose doesn't mean you need to have a grand, life-changing mission. It can be something small or deeply personal, like wanting to be a good parent, pursuing a creative passion, or making a positive impact in your community. Take time to reflect on what truly matters to you. What brings you joy? What makes you feel alive? Your purpose can evolve with time, and that's okay. The important thing is to have a reason to get out of bed each day, no matter how small it may seem. Purpose fuels persistence and gives you the strength to face challenges head on. This is the pillar many people forget. Without a sense of purpose, the other pillars lose their power. Ask yourself, why are you doing this? What are you working towards? Purpose gives you direction when life feels chaotic. It doesn't have to be some grand mission. It can be as simple as wanting to show up for your family, improve your health, or making one small positive change. Purpose is your anchor when the waves of life get rough. Even a small reason to get out of bed each day can spark incredible change. Rebuilding your life starts with these 5 pillars. And no, it's not easy, but the rewards are worth it. When you strengthen these areas, you create a foundation that can withstand life challenges. Each pillar supports the others, and together they create balance and resilience. So what's one thing you'll do today to strengthen these pillars? Share in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Together we can build a stronger foundation for life. See you in the next video, and remember, stay legendary.